So cute, the beauty guru looking everywhere, slow-mo now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Gaviota, and I just came back from Ulta like a few hours ago and I got inspired by this look on Instagram, and I'm gonna show you the post. And this is the look that I got inspired by, and it was by Glamour by Susie. And yeah, I'm gonna try it out. It's gonna be a first impressions on 2 items right now, but it's like the main focus of this video, which is the purple eyeshadows that I'm going to be using. One is an eyeshadow and then the other one is a pigment. The first eyeshadow is by Colourpop. It's called Daddy, and this is what it looks like. And I'm just going to swatch it really quick on my hand. And this is the swatch of it. So it's like a pretty bright purple, which I plan on using it in the crease. And then I also got this NYX pigment, and it's like this dark blue purple color, and if you look really close you can kind of see some shimmers. So I'm going to swatch that for you guys. And this is that color. It looks way lighter on my hand than it does, like here it looks kind of dark purple, and then like when I swatched it, it looks more blue and it has some shimmers on it, but we'll see if I can do something to make it stand out. I also plan on using like my Jaclyn Hill palette and like mainly these 2 colors. This is in the first impressions. I already know how this palette works and I love it, but I have never used these 2 eyeshadows. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, they haven't even been swatched, which let me do right now. And those are those 2 colors. I love this dark purple. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's get this show on the road. Oh, I think I'm gonna start off with just like a crease color that's close to my eyelid color. So I'm gonna get this one from the Jaclyn Hill palette. And then now I think I'm gonna go in with the Colourpop color in Daddy. The only thing I don't like about Colourpop like Super Shock eyeshadows is that they're kind of hard to get on like an actual brush, if you know what I'm saying. Right now it looks a little chalky on the eye, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm just gonna keep on packing that color on until it shows. This is what it looks like just packed on. It looks really nice. But I think I'm gonna keep on packing it on just so it's super bright, because we are gonna lose some of that color when we put that dark purple. Okay, so now I think I'm going to take this dark blue purpley color from the just to deepen up that color. And this is what it looks like once I'm that face was so funny. This is what it looks like once I'm deepening that crease up. And you're just gonna keep on blending. I think I'm going to go with the deep purple. I also got this NYX Vivid Brights cream color thing, and this is in the color Sugar Rush. So I'm thinking maybe I should lay this down for the base of the dark purple. Let me see.
This is really pretty. I should try eyeliner with this. But I'm just laying that down. I kind of look like Ursula.
Once I'm done laying it down, I'm just gonna get like a packer brush. This one's from e.l.f. The darker purple I used from the Jaclyn Hill palette, this one right here, and I'm just gonna pack that on. Okay. Wow, this is looking really pretty.
That's true. Things ain't going like things should.
This is what it looks like so far. It's a mess, but I'm just going to keep on going back and patting that in my all over my lid, and I'm going to go back with the Colourpop color, and I'm going to like fix up my crease. And I'm going to be right back once everything's blended. And I finished blending it out. There was a lot of fallout, and like I kind of messed up my concealer, but it's a little too late to restart my base. But for next time, I would probably do the eyeshadow first, which is what I usually do. I don't know what made me start my base first, but I love this color to just really smoke out the look. Ooh, I'm loving how this looks. Also, tip, if you ever have under eye creasing from your concealer, just really drag out your under eye shadow and no one will notice. So that's pretty much what I'm doing. I'm not sure if I want to do black eyeliner or not, like to deepen up the look. Which is another thing I never do. I never do black eyeliner, but I think I'm gonna do it today. So let me get some eyeliner. I'm just gonna get this Urban Decay All Nighter eyeliner, and I'm going to just line my waterline.
The people might have to back, but you need to watch your front. Indeed, and nothing guaranteed.
And then I think I'm going to kind of like smudge out that black.
It ain't all good.
Now I'm just gonna do lashes, and I will be right back when I'm done. I love this look. First of all, I don't know why I haven't tried purple eyeshadow before. I love how this came out. Oh my gosh. This is the look.
I'm not very good at the, makeup girl poses yet, but, they just, like, stare down or something, so I'm just going to do that, too. But I'm literally in, look at my swatches. Oh, my gosh. I'm in love with this look, guys. I really like how it turned out.
I ended up adding, like, this light purple iridescent. This is it. Color. I don't know what brand it is. I think it's from NYX. But yes, guys, this is the final look. I always forget to put lips. What's wrong with me? Okay, I have this Vivid Hot Lip Lacquer by Maybelline. Okay, that looks cute. I am done. Oh my gosh, guys. I love how this looks turned out. It's so pretty. I need to take a picture for my Instagram. But I hope you guys like this video. It's kind of like my first makeup tutorial. I don't know if you guys would listen to me, but I definitely recommend getting out of your comfort zone and trying new things, because I finally did and I loved how this turned out. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe down below and like this video if you liked my purple eyeshadow look. So cute, the beauty guru looking everywhere, slow-mo now.
It ain't all good. And that's true. Things ain't going like things should. It's all on you. It ain't all good. And that's true. Things ain't going like things should.